Hello to all our viewers. Welcome to Nisha Lakshmi world. Hope you all are doing good. Today we bring to you cranberry beans masala gravy. This dish is made using spices, grated coconut and ground into a flavorful masala. And also cranberry beans are very tasty, highly nutritious, rich in fiber and packed with full of nutrients. This gravy is best enjoyed with rice, roti, chapathi, poori and dosa. So let's check out the recipe. Please do consider to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on our new videos published. For this, I have taken 1 cup of grated coconut, 450 grams of cranberry beans, few coriander leaves, 6 green chilies or according to your spice tolerance, half onion roughly chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger sliced, 8 cloves, 2 to 3 sticks of cinnamon. And here I have diced 2 medium-sized potatoes and added in water to avoid oxidation. I have taken half teaspoon of oil in a heated pan. Once the oil is heated, add in the onions and chilies and fry them until they are well done. Now that they are done nicely, I shall turn off the stove and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, in a pressure cooker, let's add in the cranberry beans. With sufficient water and a little salt. And let's pressure cook it for 1 whistle or until done. While the beans is cooking, we shall prepare the masala. For that, into a mixer jar, add in grated coconut, garlic, ginger, cloves, cinnamon, coriander leaves, 1½ teaspoon of red chili powder or according to your spice tolerance, the fried onion and the chilies, with some water and grind it into a fine paste. Now our ground masala is ready. let's check on how the beans has cooked. It has cooked perfectly. And now to a heated pan or a vessel, add in sufficient amount of oil. Once the oil is heated, I will be adding in one small finely chopped onion. And saute until translucent. Once the onions turns translucent, I will be adding in one small finely chopped tomato. And saute until they are soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes turn soft and mushy, add in the potatoes and saute them for a minute. Next, we need to add in water here, but I should be using the stock of the cooked beans. Cover the lid and allow the potatoes to cook. Add in salt according to taste, but be careful as we had added salt previously to the beans also. Mix it nicely until everything combines well. Once the potatoes are done, add in the ground masala. And mix nicely until everything is well combined. Add in sufficient amount of water. Mix it nicely. Now I shall be adding the beans and the remaining stock. Once mix well everything and allow it to come to a nice boil until it's aromatic and the gravy thickens. Check for the salt and spice and adjust if required. This is the desired consistency I would prefer, as this gravy tends to thicken once cooled. But if you would prefer even more thicker consistency, then you need to boil furthermore. At this stage, I would turn off the stove. Now the cranberry beans masala gravy is ready to be served. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.